won't be long. La 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 la. Give me a bum bum. Raindrops keep falling on my head. And I love to paint watercolors like a crazy guy. I love watercolors, and I hope I go and paint watercolors. Don't care if it rains or if it's sunny, because I'm not aware of my body. Yeah, I do this one in a few minutes, and we go under arcade, and I do another one for you guys. Because this. But then again, we are true art lovers. No. We are a bit crazy about watercolor. But what happened if we true. And if we are true art lovers, we carry on no matter what. We are not aware of our body. We are not aware of what time of the day is. We are simply, we enjoy painting. We love it. We spit too. Like Caravaggio. Because I am the Caravaggio of the watercolors.
Don't tell anyone.
Why are you using a little brush?
I don't know.
Okay. I get 20 points for that one.
Yeah.
I didn't get an answer.
Easy.
Brings you up past 10.
No, I think it's too uncomfortable. I don't know what I am. Here, there, thing. Like, this has to be stronger here. Yeah, guys. We go.
Oh, wow! It's much more better.
Much better. I love your accent, mate. I got a bit of an accent, but you got a little bit more.
Maybe you get off this building?
Okay, we go. That's a work of art in 7 minutes. Just amazing. Alvaro is just an amazing guy. He's an amazing guy. Rainy day, sunny day, boats. You name it. What is the painting you want? What is
amazing guy?
What is the
Alvaro
painting
is
you want?
amazing.
What is the painting you want? Alvaro deliver. I have some doubt, but now I come to terms. I have to realize the guy knows what he's doing, because he's a pretty. No, not pretty. Not pretty. He's not pretty. He's actually ugly, and ugly.
Just
There you are.
repeat please about the pretty, because I'm
No,
afraid
that was a
pretty
mistake.
is
Bad. We are here to make lions. Well, listen, guys, we got another piece of paper, so we can do something under arcade, and then you paint, and then we have. Okay, we take this as an anecdotic.